Hello everyone, my name is Inderpreet Kaur. I am one of the first German language trainers at Turn. I have been teaching since more than 4-5 years. Definitely, if they put efforts and learn with dedication, definitely they would be able to. I tell students generally to ask this question, why not? Rather than asking why they will not get placed. Like, is there something that will stop them to getting placed in Germany? If there is anything, then they should work on it, rather than asking why they will not be able to. It depends actually on students, but ideally it takes 6 to 7 months to reach up to B1 level. They should stop talking in Hindi or in English or in their mother tongue. They should start speaking in German from day one. At least little bit, as much as they can, they should start speaking, talking in German. The most important factor is the confidence. I think if they have confidence, they can easily get placed in Germany. But sometimes they lack confidence, and I don't know why they feel demotivated or nervous at the time of interview. I mean, Germans do not expect 100% perfection. They expect that a student is able to communicate in German and express himself or herself well. So I think there is no need to be nervous or have anxiety about it. Yeah, they have a lot of misconceptions, and especially I get this question very frequently. If we don't know English, whether we will be able to learn German? Then I say definitely you are able to learn German. Like, there is a little bit connection maybe, but there is no thing like if you don't know English then you won't be able to learn German. German is different, Hindi is different, English is different, so you can learn German even if you don't know Hindi or English. Just do the rest and leave the rest. Always do your 100%. After giving your exam, you should not have that guilt feel. मैंने इतना try नहीं करा, अच्छा होता अगर मैंने थोड़ा और पढ़ लिया होता. So that feeling you should not have.